and biology. Let's practice some quick and important MCQ on effect of air pollutants on human health. Perfect for your exam and quick revision. Stay tuned and let's level up your preparation in minutes. Question number 1. What concentration of pollutants is the greatest threat to human health? Answer is option B. Low concentration over long period is the greatest threat to the human. Question number 2. What are the two approaches to studying the chronic effect of air pollutant? Answer is option C. Epidemiology and toxicology. Epidemiology studies the survey of population and toxicological studies are done in lab. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a route pollutants take to enter human bodies? Answer is option D. Through the ears are the not route of pollutant to take to enter human bodies. Air pollutant enter human bodies via different route. The major routes air pollutant take to enter the human bodies are through the eye, nose, mouth, skin, etc. are the major route where their air pollutants enter to human bodies. Question number 4. Which of the following is the main point of entry of air pollutants? Answer is option B. Respiration is the main point of entry of air pollutant. All through ingestion and subsequent digestion are the point of entry of air pollutants into the body. It is not a primary mode. Some goes for touching. Most air pollutants are entered through the respiration. Question number 5. Particulates of what size do not make it pass the nose in the respiratory system? Answer is option C. Larger than 10 micron size do not pass the nose in the respiratory system. Large particulate matter is stopped in the nose. On the other hand, smaller particulates cannot trapped here. Particulate size of larger than 10 microns are trapped by the hair in the nose. Question number 6. Particulates of what size do not make it past the upper respiratory system? Answer is option D. Between 5 to 10 micron size of particulate do not pass the upper respiratory system. Question number 7. Particulates of which size are the most concern to human health? Answer option A. All particles smaller than 0.5 micron size are the most concern to human health. Such fine particles reach the alveoli of the lungs where they can cause significant damage to the lungs. Particles larger than 0.5 microns are stopped by bronchialis upper respiratory tract. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a potential function of particulate matter in the respiratory system? Answer option B. They clog the system is not the potential function of particulate matter in the respiratory system. Question number 9. What kind of particulate matter is toxic in nature? Answer option C. Metals are toxic in nature. Heavy metals and their salt get suspended in the atmosphere are the most toxic particulate by themselves. Heavy metals are carcinogenic and adverse effect on humans. Question number 10. Which of the following heavy metal has the highest concentration in the atmosphere? Answer option D. Lead has the highest concentration in the atmosphere. Question number 11. Which of the following is not severe effect of lead poisoning? Answer breathlessness is not severe effect of lead poisoning. Lead poisoning may cause confusion, coma, and even brain damage. Breathlessness is not effect of lead poisoning. Operationals like fuel consumption release lead into the atmosphere. Question number 12. How efficient is the body at absorbing lead? Answer is option B. 40% sets. The efficiency which the body absorbs lead is moderately high. It's about 40%. The remaining 60% of the lead that enters human body by trap if human body is trapped by the mechanism in the lungs and then discarded. Question number 30. What is the size of lead particles in the atmosphere of urban areas? Answer option C, 0.2 micrometer size is the of lead particles in the atmosphere of urban area. Question number 14. Hemoglobin production is affected at exposure to high levels of which of the following heavy metals? Answer option A, lead. Lead lead is stored in a blood at normal levels. At high levels, it is excreted from blood. At very high levels, levels of lead in the blood, hemoglobin production slow down and resulting in oxygen starvation. Question number 50. Where is lead stored in the body? Answer option B, lead stored in the bones. Question number 16. Which of the following is the primary source of accumulation of cadmium in the body? Answer option C, smoking is the primary source of accumulation of cadmium in the body. Although contaminated urban air can result in its accumulation, smoking is the prime cause of collection of cadmium in the lungs. Cadmium cause cardiovascular disease. Question number 70. High concentration of cadmium is found near which of the following sources? Answer option is zinc smelting. High concentration of calcium found near zinc smelting. A cadmium source is a zinc smelting and therefore is present near such areas. Question number 80. Accumulation of which of the following heavy metal cause hypertension? Answer option A, cadmium. Cadmium has adverse effect on the human health. It impairs the function of enzyme in the body, thereby causing hypertension. Cadmium also known as cause of cardiovascular disease. Question number 90. Cadmium impair the absorption of which of the following materials in the body? Answer option B, zinc and copper. At the low levels, various heavy metals are useful for normal functioning of the human body. For example, copper and zinc are the micronutrient. Absorption of such impaired by cadmium. Question number 20. Which of the following is a chronic effect of cadmium accumulation? Answer option C, kidney damage is the chronic effect of cadmium accumulation. Also liver also, kidney damage and liver damage both are the chronic effect of cadmium accumulation. Question number 21. Nickel is a harmful to human health because of one of its compound. Which of the given option is this compound? Answer is option A, nickel carbonyl. Nickel carbonyl formation occurs when nickel combine with carbon dioxide in the environment. It can be ingested by human body. This compound break down the body to give nickel metal which is toxic. Question number 22. Which of the following is not an effect of mercury poisoning? Answer is option D. Liver damage is not the effect of mercury poisoning. All of the given option are effect of mercury poisoning except the liver damage. Mercury is very harmful because of the formation of methyl mercury. It can even cause severe brain damage as well as. Question number 23. Beryllium and asbestosis are classified as which kind of pollutants? Answer is option A, occupational pollutants. Beryllium and asbestosis are known as occupational pollutants. These materials are present in environment mainly due to industrial activities and can be damaging the human health. Question number 24. Acute beryllium poisoning manifests at which part of the body? Answer option B, eyes. Acute beryllium poisoning affects the eyes and lungs. The mucous membrane of this organ, especially when vulnerable to to beryllium poisoning. Those are the short-term effect and manifest almost immediately. Question number 25. Which of the following symptom of asbestosis? Answer is option A. Calcification is the symptom of asbestosis. Asbestosis is a lung disease that causes several damage to the lungs. Its symptoms manifest as shortness of breath and even calcification in lungs in some cases. Asbestosis are hydrated silicates. Which of the following heavy metals is not categorized as a neurotoxin? Answer option D. Nickel is not categorized as a neurotoxin. Neurotoxin are substances that cause nerve and brain damage in the human body. Heavy metals like manganese, mercury, lead are neurotoxin. Nickels is not one of them.